Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluchi, a makeup artist and an esthetician. In today's video, I am going to show you how to layer these products in your skincare routine: your toner, your Anua Niacinamide serum, and then your sunscreen to get the most out of your skincare routine. So basically, the first step, as always, is to cleanse your face with a gentle cleanser. After that, follow up with your toner. So today's toner is the Anua 70 Plus. It's a Rice 70 ceramide plus ceramide toner. It's a milky toner. And there are two ways you can use your toner. You can use your toner first off on a cotton pad or on your palm. I'm going to show you these two steps in a moment. So for the cotton pad method, you want to grab a cotton pad. It could be disposable, it could be reusable. So go onto the cotton pad with your toner like this. Most times using a toner on a cotton pad can be quite wasteful. And personally, before I go in with my toner, I always like my face to be a bit damp. So I'm just going to, spritz my face a bit so that this would help the hydrating ingredients in this to even work better. So you want to swipe this on your face very gently, like so, in an upward motion all the time, under your eyes, gently, like so. Toners help to take off, in this case, because I put it on a cotton pad, it's going to further take off products that didn't get taken off by the cleanser. This is how you want to gently do it. Don't be harsh, don't drag your skin, because you don't want your skin to, you don't want your skin to get irritated or even to slack. So this is how you basically use it, and of course on your neck as well, swiping it upwards. And personally, what I like to do with this is to go down my chest and even the back of my hands and elbow and any bits basically. So I'm going to show you the second method quickly. This method is going in with a few drops. You can use just 2 drops. Can you see how economical this is as opposed to using it on cotton pad? Then you press it on your face. Remember to always use this on damp skin. So basically, this is how you want to use your toner first. And because I've used quite a lot, I'm just going to let my face dry a little bit. Then I will proceed with the Anua 10 plus niacinamide 10 with tranexamic acid. So generally, niacinamide is amazing for people with oily skin because it helps with oil product, regulates sebum production. It's also an antioxidant, which antioxidants are known to help fight free radicals, the things that cause the skin to age quickly, and it has its brightening properties as well. Then tranexamic acid 4% here also helps to brighten the skin with redness, calm redness, amongst other things. This has 10% niacinamide. Some people might find it quite irritating. If you find it irritating, I would suggest to go down a notch. Being high percentage doesn't always equate to it being very effective. It can be irritating for some people. So in this case, my face has absorbed most of the toner. So now I will take a few drops like so of the serum, and please do not put your pipette, this dropper, on your face. Always drop it on your palm, or you can drop it on the face like so. Don't let it come in contact because you don't want bacteria from the face to the bottle to cause infection basically. So you want to gently push this like so, pat it into the skin. People with oily skin will especially benefit from this because niacinamide is such an amazing ingredient for people with oily skin. And the fact that it has tranexamic acid is so good because it will help to fade pigmentation, it would help with redness and all that. So this is how you want to push it into the skin. Pat it into the skin gently, push it in. Don't drag, don't rub. You're not fighting anyone. Always be gentle with your face because you want to reduce causing stress to the skin. So that's basically it. This gives you that glass skin It's just so such a lovely serum. So what I'm going to do now, of course, the rest, the back of my hands and my chest. So what I'm going to do now is to allow this to, absorb into the skin so that I'll get the most out of it. So give yourself some time to let it fully absorb in. I would say that I think I use a little bit too much of this serum. So when you're going in, be gentle, like don't go overboard just the way I did. I think, like I said, I think I took a bit too much. There's no point wasting products. And the good thing about this serum is that it pairs well with other like your sunscreens and all that. So I'm just going to let this fully absorb, then I will carry on with the next step. So let's see. Can you see that bounce? So the third step is to go in with a broad spectrum SPF, and this is the Har Wonder Black Rice SPF. I've nearly run out of it. This is an all-time favorite, and most of the sunscreens now are moisturizing, so you can afford to keep your moisturizer, especially if you have oily skin. So just go in with your SPF and apply this generously. Never go out in the day without using an SPF, otherwise you're going to potentially cause more harm to your skin. You're going to burn your skin, possibly because niacinamide makes the skin photosensitive. In other words, it makes the skin even more prone to burning out when it's exposed to the sun. So you want to always protect it with SPF. I mean, in the first place, you're using all these treatments to help better your skin, so you don't want to go from frying pan to fire. So always use a broad spectrum SPF, and that's basically how you want to use it. So can you see how well this glides on? It's not peeling, it doesn't peel. I mean, after the niacinamide and all that, the niacinamide goes on well with sunscreen. I've used different sunscreens, the La Roche-Posay and all that, and they layer on well. I've even worn makeup over it, and it goes on well. So this is us. This is how the skin is. So that's how you want to layer on these products in your routine. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, let me know in the comment section. If you have any other video suggestions, don't hesitate to drop them in the comment section. And with all that being said, I will catch you in my next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.